Hello, my people. I greet you now. I know say don't they we talk. Today, yes, I can't talk about something when we say I'm not gonna close my mouth because this issue is kind of like it's serious because if they preach love for church, if Christ talks say whether you give everything but make love be everything, whether you they give charity but make love supersede everything when you do for this life. Now what did Jesus talk? And me, I dey like follow step by step every word when Jesus they talk. Now they use till they come out to come see whether waiting they preach for church is what Christ is really saying. And if really say our men of God that they read the Bible just once, when their spirit they high at that time, now they don't today used to God. So they know they read the Bible again. So they just feel say everything they inside of them, they feel just do whatever thing they want to do. They are used to Christ. They are not afraid of waiting Christ, they send them again. So let me go straight to the point because this is annoying. I purposely wait till this day before I come out to come make this video. I never come out since TB Joshua died to come make this video. But today when we say they lay and down, I purposely wait till this day to see what is really going on. And what is really going on is really, really bad. It's bad. More call spade a spade. Whether you call yourself G.O., whether you call yourself bishop, whether you call yourself apostle, pastor, una they wrong for Nigeria. All of una they very, very wrong. And I dey into those kind of under that kind of ministry before. I get tired of una nonsense. I quit going to una church. I get to a branch for where I stay for here. I quit from the church because when I started seeing things, when only me come, they go inside the Bible, they compare what Christ talk, they compare with other men of God, white men of God, they compare their teaching to the teaching that they teach for Nigeria. Una they outside the world. That is why Nigeria is going down because there is no love in that country. When una call upon God, God not the answer una again. I'm talking to the bishop, the GOs, and all the apostles and the pastor of Nigeria because una not get love. The Bible said united we stand and divided we fall. The country is falling just because you guys are divided in Nigeria. Because when Elijah called God once, God the answer. Moses called God once, God the answer. Apostle Paul for New Testament, Jesus, our perfect example, called God once, God the answer. Why is God not answering you now? When I don't come answer for altar, they swear for Boko Haram, swear for this, swear for, but nothing has changed. Because why? Everything one that they do is wrong. It's wrong. There is no love at all for inside on our hearts. And I said they talk to the musicians too, one that they sing song and they sing holy song. When are they wrong for everything? That is why the country is like that. The country is not moving forward because of when are nonsense, one that they do, one that this, one that Christian, one that carry for head. You guys are not Christian at all. All of una one that they tie on our head, they tie rich ear. When somebody they pray, I go say, why you not cover your head before you pray? And they wait for now for inside my page because when una own co-pastor dies, so they not see any of una GOs. To say, it's to even tell the widow woman and God, Jesus Christ, he took something, he said the widows and the poor and the needy, the orphans, make we not forget them. Even those who are not like TB Joshua, just because of the widow wife, for her make it still her heart say, I still feel love from people. Una call una say men of God. None of una came outside to say something to this woman. Now Muslim, even Buhari sent a condolence greeting to that woman. None of una call una self a pastor. None of una came out. It's a shame and a disgrace to una. I dey wait for the members for my page. May they come. May they come and they wait for them for my page. Because they teach una members wrong. I don't care what that man do. Even America here, they recognize him when he died. Other country, Australia, see all these Mexicans, see other country where this man go. They recognize him. Even Israel, They send people from Israel to come the barrier. Why we get the prophet for Nigeria, we not honor him. Nobody, none of una come. None of una come. I know they carry, they come outside to come do video. Before I come outside to come do video, so see, might just go straight to the point. Una they wrong. Very, very wrong. No condolence message to that woman. But when una Gio Pikin die, that man is an epitome of love, TBJ. Now epitome of love. Compare him. Waiting una Gio Pikin died, Pastor Dare, I go call him name. When he die, TB Joshua not look whether una not like him or not like him. He come outside to send the condolence visit to the mother. Because he know how painful it is for a mother or a father to lose a son. But this man, a son died. A wife, not come outside to say, I don't love your husband, no, but may I send condolence visit to the family of the wife. None of una come outside. Since today, I say I purposely won't come outside because of una. Because una they make that country they go down. God no they hear any of una prayer because there is no love una. I don't see the mouth una till they come outside for altar till they pray for people. Because God no they hear una. Una heart is full of bitterness and hatred. Una make una change. The pastors, I'm talking to the pastors and the GOs, the apostles and the pastors of Nigeria. I'm talking to you guys. You guys should change. People are dying in poverty. People are dying innocently because God not get candle for the land of Nigeria. There is no candle. Una pass glory not until they leave. I will tell una clear. Because make una take example of Prince Eli. Prince Eli, when he died, God rest somewhere. He passed glory now Eli today. Not be saying he ain't gonna do good things again. So una pass glory not until they reign now. Una don't stop to the work for God. Una go back to the love, una first love, which is Christ. And practice what he says. And like I said, I dey wait for una members. Because una don't teach una members that they're so arrogant, so cost, that they cost people. For inside internet. So I don't see if una not love, how una members go take love people. They don't feel love. They not go fit. So whether you like TB Joshua, you don't like TB Joshua, the man don't do his work, he don't go. But one thing I won't live with una say, make love lead. Make love lead for the body of Christ. Because now they sleep off. Now pass glory, now till they reign. Make love lead for our heart. So that God go fit hear us again for the land of Nigeria. Nigeria now get the most big pastor, well-recognized pastor for the whole of Africa. But now Nigeria now go down pass. Because on our heart, no love for inside. And the Bible talk and say whether you give charity, if love not there, the charity now useless. When I look at the life of TB Joshua, he never they give to foreign country. In our own country, and they never see one pull wave of giving. See widows they cry just because of a man. So life where you live, where you don't go, life where you be say you live before you go. What people go talk about is what matters. Not be flying off jet or not be building 100,000 capacity, not be building 50,000 capacity, building churches every day. Every day they build church for Nigeria. For the country, not ever they good. Every night we they sleep before America here. Most of like I am one of them. Night to go wake up, they pray for the land of Nigeria, make Nigeria rise again. Now wanna date the country, no love for now. God not get candle. God not get candle. I see they repeat them. God not get candle for the land of Nigeria. The candle is off. You guys are living from una past glory. When una love una first love, which is Christ. Mona, go back, all pastors, go back to your first love. Because there is no love for now. Una be Pharisees of Jesus' time. Because the Pharisees of Jesus' time, they asked Jesus, say, which authority when Jesus said they do all these miracles? Jesus can't ask the questions if they go fit answer and say, which authority John the Baptist take come, then they do the things what John the Baptist do. The Pharisees nothing answer that question. Then Jesus say, me myself, I'm not going to tell you now, the authority when I tell they do these things. Una the dirty be Joshua, the dirty authority, the dirty the power of God when God they use her for. So as una the data, me myself I the doubt una own religion. I the doubt una own person wanna believe in, because if una believe in Christ, una not get that kind of hatred mind wanna get. So the word to the doubt una for una own Christian. What kind of preaching are you preaching? Which authority where you say they preach that preaching? Where you una look TB Joshua and say na outcasts from the land of Nigeria, other country come home. They came from outside country to come bury this man. Una Jews, una pastors, una apostles, none of them. Ole Tini Dakor, a bit Dakore, what it be name? When sing that song, everything you put your hand go walk. Only that guy, as a musician, I attend the burial. May God bless him. Una one they sing. Una song when I don't understand, so I don't understand the kind of song when they sing Christian song. None of una attended that man funeral. May God help you guys in Nigeria, pastors, apostles of Nigeria. May God help una. I'll leave una with this message. You people should go back to your first love, because una work don't stop. Tete. That's why you see the land of Nigeria is falling, because there is no candlelight in that land. The Bible said, if my people who are called by my name, if they humble themselves, make una pastors go humble themselves, none and be the leader of Nigeria. But una don't sell una bed price to pagans. They are ruling, because una go talk now, nobody they answer una again. God not they hear una again. God hear deaf for now. That's why the country is going down. Everybody's looking for help. Where is help? And una not supposed to be help. It is a shame and a pity. I didn't wait for una for my page. Like I said, I'm not afraid to say the truth. I will always spit it out. God bless you for those when you get here. Make una here. Let love lead. Make we love each other for the land of Nigeria. Bye.